Some call it a merry-go-round, others call it a hurdy-gurdy. But for the Plaza Hotel and Casino, their newest attraction will be called Carousel Bar.
I think it's going to become the place to start your night downtown. Every tourist is going to want to be there. It's going to be the best place to get a drink in downtown.
This spring, Plaza's Main Street Reimagination project will transform the already iconic and spectacular Porte Cochere into the Carousel Bar.
We've had this iconic dome in the front of the building, and we wanted to find a way to monetize that to create value for downtown Las Vegas, and turning it into a carousel bar was good friend Sam Cherry's idea. And we saw it in New Orleans and we wanted to convert it, and the idea took a little while to put together, but now it's coming together and it's going to be an iconic centerpiece in downtown Las Vegas.
But the fun doesn't stop there. Downtown Las Vegas can expect an extra injection of fun.
We're adding with the Carousel Bar a new pink box donuts. It's going to be the most iconic entrance to a donut store you've ever seen, with 70 flavors of donuts. They're going to do a great job and be a huge draw on Fremont Street. We're also adding a smoke-free casino, the first of its kind in downtown Las Vegas, in partnership with Brian Christopher, the YouTuber. And then we're adding a Patio for Oscar steakhouse, which is a much-needed addition to the steakhouse, and it's the first of its kind where you can sit downtown and have a fine dining meal overlooking downtown Las Vegas.
It's all in the hands of the experts and masterful team at Premier Displays.
The fact that we're very gifted that we got this project, and it's going to be a feather in our cap because it's beautiful. It's going to be incredible with the spinning of the circular bar in the middle, and then when you start adding music and lighting and the cherries and all that, it's going to be spectacular. It's going to be a showstopper.
For Premier Displays and Jostle, the beauty comes in the details, and boy is there a lot of detail in these carousel horses.
We started this project about 8 months ago. We started sourcing these horses. Finding the right horses is also another feat, getting them delivered from Florida here, and then the sandblasting process, repainting them, and then we had to interview a lot of technical painters, and we actually found some that had background in doing this, but it's a lengthy process for the whole work to be very quality driven. It was nice to use an existing horse that spent time on the road doing carousel pop-ups all over the country or all over the world, so it was nice to keep history involved.
It's sure to be a new glowing feat for an already twinkling sight.
It's so special because it's one Main Street. It's where Las Vegas began. It's got a lot of history there. But it's also those iconic lights. You know, if you look at new developments today, they're still copying that light design from the 70s. Everyone loves light bulbs. Everyone loves the way they come together, and it's one of the most photographed things downtown. So people love it, and we're not changing any of those light bulbs. We're just embellishing on it. But it's going to give people a great starting point or finishing point in downtown.